really think you should.
Welcome to another episode of POUDEL, and it's me Akash, and in today's video basically I'm going to show you how to root your Android phone in 2019. So it's a 2019 special video, so make sure you watch it till the end. And before starting the video, I'd like to say that if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get the notifications of my video. So guys, first of all, open your web browser. As I have my web browser Chrome, I'll open it. Now in the URL box, I'll type on kingo root, KINGOROOT, and hit the enter button. So the link of the site has been mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box. So we'll click on the first one, kingo root for Android. So this is the official site of kingo root, and we'll click on download for Windows. So guys, I have already downloaded the kingo root application, so make sure you download it. So I'll go on to the desktop and click on the kingo root application shortcut. So this will open the application. So let's move on towards our phone. Let's move on to the settings option, then scroll down and down and move on to the about phone option. Then we'll again move down and tap on the build number 7 times. This will enable the developer option. So let's move back and let's click on developer options. So over the developer options, we'll enable the USB debugging if it is disabled. So let's move back towards our PC. So guys, make sure you connect the PC with the phone with the help of USB cable. So it's connecting, so we'll click on root. So the rooting process has begun. So let's move on towards our phone again and go through the Play Store. In the search bar, we'll type on root checker application. So we'll hit the enter button. So we'll install the root checker application. Click on accept. So the root checker application is downloading now. So in the other hand, the kingo root application has successfully rooted our phone. So let's check whether the phone has been rooted successfully or not through the root checker application. So we'll click on verify root. So it's processing. We'll click on allow. So guys, the phone has been successfully rooted. Thanks for watching.